Okay guys, before you watch today's video, I just wanted to come on here real quick and tell you what the heck is wrong with the footage that you're about to see. I had this whole video recorded and it was about 5 to 6 minutes long, and I accidentally deleted everything. So everything that you're about to see is what I could retrieve from the recycling bin, because I accidentally moved all my footage to the recycling bin, and then I emptied the recycling bin out and I lost everything that I ever have put on the laptop. So yeah. The videos that the clips you're about to see are a little choppy because I wasn't able to get all of the footage back, the full thing. So you're about to see, it's going to be like bouncing around here and there, but I hope that you get the full gist of it and how I did my hair. I'm going to try and explain to you real quick in like layman's terms, because you're going to kind of see a little bit of this stuff, but it kind of, like I said, is cutting out, and also the audio is not in sync with some of the video. But I hope, like I said, you guys can still understand what's going on in the clips. But basically, I dyed my hair again using henna. Like I told you guys, I was going to try it again, and this time I got results that I really do like. It's not red like I wanted it to be, but it's a color that I like because it kind of looks burgundy, and in the sunlight it's like a auburn, like bright mahogany type of color like that I had last time. But basically all I did was put some hydrogen peroxide and baking soda into a spray bottle and sprayed it onto my hair, and once the nozzle got clogged up, I just went ahead and put it inside of a bowl and like dipped my hair into it. So the dye or the hydrogen peroxide mix did not really distribute evenly over my entire hair. So I kind of have some places like in the front that are really light, and then the other sides that are light still, but they're kind of dark at the same time. But yeah, so what I did after that was I put on 2 trash bags and a satin bonnet, and then I put a towel on my head, and I let that sit in my hair for 26 minutes. And then I took everything off and I went outside and stood outside for 15 minutes with direct sunlight. Then I went back inside and put the stuff back on my head and let it sit for an additional 25 minutes, I think. And then I went ahead and washed and conditioned my hair. And then when I finished doing that, I put the henna on top of my hair for about 2 to 3 hours, and then I rinsed it out. And that's what my hair looked like basically at the very end. And at the end of the video, if you guys just don't even want to watch any of the stuff, you can skip straight to the end. I show you some before and after pictures. And I'm so sorry I wasn't able to show you guys the full process. I was so upset. I almost cried because of, you know, pregnancy hormones. It made me really emotional, but I worked so hard on that video and it was perfect. All I had to do was add music to it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I know I just rambled the whole way. So yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking this video, and I'll see you next week's. Bye. I'm gonna spray it on my hair, put on 2 trash bags. You can use a shower cap if you have one, and let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it off and go outside and sit in the sunlight for 10 more minutes. So I'm gonna leave it on for a total of 30 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys my results. Okay guys, I'm finally back. I just finished putting it all in my hair everywhere. I feel like my ends are going to be a little bit lighter than the rest of my hair because like I said, I'm growing out this peroxide from the last time I've done it. So my ends are still light. This process was extremely messy. Like, I got it all over my shirt, the walls, my phone, all of my arms. My shirt is just, yeah, but that's why I said wear something you don't care about. So another tip for you guys, after doing that, I do not recommend putting it in a spray bottle because it clogged up the nozzle, so I ended up having to dump it in my hands and putting it on my hair. I even tried putting it in a bowl and like dipping my head in there, but if you want to get your roots, then you're gonna have to, you know, pour it on your roots. But now I'm just about to put on 2 trash bags and then my satin bonnet and leave that on for 20 minutes like I told you guys. Guys, I'm finally back. I had this stuff sitting in my hair for 55 minutes. I sat inside for, I think it was 26 minutes, and then I went outside and took the cap off and let it sit in my hair for 10 minutes. Then I came back inside and let it sit for 20 more minutes, and then I rinsed it out, shampooed and conditioned it, and now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.